Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to show you how to block websites on Android. Now we're going to use the Block Sites app, which is an app you have to download from Google Play Store. This is it over here. You open it, I've downloaded it. Let's see how it goes. So you give a few seconds to boot and then you create it. Now normally it should give you two options. One, you can try a free trial, and you pay for it afterwards, or you can just ignore it and go to the last option at the bottom and choose to use for free. So I've done that and now I accept. Of course, do the necessary, open accessibility, give it access. So I should block sites. Okay, I'm giving it what it needs. All right, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my settings. So I'm here now get started. So I'm ready. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create So I'm going to type a keyword on the app I want to block. Let's say I want to block YouTube. I put in the key phrase for the word and then, okay, which YouTube do I want? Okay, let's say YouTube DJ. I click on it, select next. For how long, which day do I want to block it? Is it all day long? I do all that. Let's say I want to block it for just today. Today I want to block it. And then let's say all day long, and then I click on next, choose an identity color, and I click on done, and that's it. YouTube DJ.com will not be able to, I won't be able to access it for all day long, like I said, after which it will reset. So now it is active, and that is how to block websites on Android.